Greetings to one and all. Welcome to my channel Knowledge Shared to Delete Ignorance. This channel is created to share the knowledge of known ideas to unknown society. Today in this channel we will be discussing about PMSM, principle of operation, and also regarding the introduction to power controllers. PMSM is nothing but permanent magnet synchronous machine. So we will be discussing about permanent magnet synchronous machine principle of operation and also about the introduction to power controllers used in PMSM machine. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications in this channel. Also, if you find that this video will be useful to someone, please share this video. And now let's go into today's topic, that is PMSM, principle of operation, and as well introduction to the power controllers used in PMSM. The overview of this presentation is we will be discussing about the principle of operation of PMSM and also the power controllers circuit used for PMSM control. These are the two different topics we will be covering in this session. The permanent magnet synchronous motor is a rotating electric machine in which the stator is a classical three-phase stator and it employs permanent magnet in its rotor. In this motor, the slip rings and field windings are absent. The permanent magnet synchronous machine is driven by the sine wave voltage coupled with the given rotor position. The stator flux together with the rotor flux, which is generated by a rotor magnet, defines the torque and thus the speed of the motor. That is, the torque and speed of the motor depends on the stator flux together with the rotor flux. So this is the main thing you want to understand in this PMSM, principle of operation. The principle of operation of permanent magnet synchronous motor can also be understood by the following block diagram. For a common three-phase permanent magnet synchronous machine, a standard three-phase power stage is used. So, the permanent magnet synchronous motor is fed directly from a three-phase supply. When the armature winding draws a current, the current distribution within the stator armature winding depends upon the rotor position and the turning on process of the devices in the control circuit. The sine wave voltage output is to be applied to the three-phase winding system in such a way that the angle between the stator flux and the rotor flux is kept close to 90 degrees in order to achieve the maximum generated torque. To meet this criterion, the motor requires the electronic control for its proper operation. The armature supply frequency is changed in proportion to the rotor speed changes so that the stator field always moves at the same speed as the rotor. As you all know, in PMSM, armature is in stator and permanent magnet is in rotor. The rotor position sensor is required for accurate tracking of speed in order to prevent the motor from pulling out of step and to avoid instability due to the change in torque or frequency. The sensors used with the brushless AC motor are quite expensive compared to those required with brushless DC machine. Because of these features like excellent dynamic performance and low torque ripple, the PMSM drive is widely used in high performance servo drives in spite of its high cost. For starting the large synchronous motor, the machine is operated in self-controlled mode. And now let us discuss the introduction to PMSM power controllers. The schematic diagram is shown in this figure is about the power controller used for PMSM drive. The main function required for this power controller in PMSM drive is to achieve the speed control and the torque control as well. The permanent magnet synchronous motor rotates due to torque produced by two interacting magnetic fields. On one hand, there is a magnetic field from the permanent magnet mounted in the rotor. On the other hand, there is a magnetic field generated by the coils of the stator. For a common three-phase PM synchronous motor, a standard three-phase power stage is used. Therefore, the permanent magnet synchronous motor is fed directly from a three-phase supply. When the armature winding draws a current, the current distribution within the stator armature winding depends upon the rotor position and the turning on process of the devices in the control circuit. The sine wave voltage output is to be applied to the three-phase winding system in a way that the angle between stator and rotor flux is kept close to 90 degrees to get the maximum generated torque. To meet this criterion, the motor requires the electronic control for its operation or power electronic control for its operation. Thank you very much for your patient listening, and from this session I hope you would have understood the principle of operation of a permanent magnet synchronous machine as well as the power controller's introduction related with permanent magnet synchronous drive. Thank you very much.